Forbid. Parents forbid late-night outings. Forbid. Parents forbid late-night outings. Greet. Greet everyone with a smile. Greet. Greet everyone with a smile. Farewell. Farewell, until we meet again. Farewell. Farewell, until we meet again. Inform. Inform us if you can't attend. Inform. Inform us if you can't attend. Ignore. Ignore the negative comments. Ignore. Ignore the negative comments. Observe. Observe the details carefully. Observe. Observe the details carefully. Miss. I miss the good old days. Miss. I miss the good old days. Capture. Capture the moment in a photograph. Capture. Capture the moment in a photograph. Release. Release the fish back into the water. Release. Release the fish back into the water. Hold. Hold on to the railing. Hold. Hold on to the railing. Let go. Let go of past mistakes. Let go. Let go of past mistakes. Drag. Drag the suitcase if it's too heavy. Drag. Drag the suitcase if it's too heavy. Drop. Don't drop the fragile vase. Drop. Don't drop the fragile vase. Lend. Can you lend me a pen? Lend. Can you lend me a pen? Borrow. I need to borrow a book. Borrow. I need to borrow a book. Keep. Keep your promises. Keep. Keep your promises. Return. Return the borrowed items. Return. Return the borrowed items. Store. Store the medicines away from children. Store. Store the medicines away from children. Retrieve. Retrieve the lost file from the backup. Retrieve. Retrieve the lost file from the backup. Collect. Collect stamps from different countries. Collect. Collect stamps from different countries. Spread. Spread the butter evenly on toast. Spread. Spread the butter evenly on toast. Compress. Compress the files to save space. Compress. Compress the files to save space. Stretch. Stretch every morning for flexibility. Stretch. Stretch every morning for flexibility. Bend. Bend your knees while lifting. Bend. Bend your knees while lifting. Twist. Don't twist your ankle. Twist. Don't twist your ankle. Flip. Flip the pancake when it's golden brown. Flip. Flip the pancake when it's golden brown. Turn. Turn the page to continue reading. Turn. Turn the page to continue reading. Roll. Roll the dough into a ball. Roll. Roll the dough into a ball. Fold. Fold the clothes neatly. Fold. Fold the clothes neatly. Arrange. Arrange the flowers in a vase. Arrange. Arrange the flowers in a vase. Mess. Don't mess up your room. Mess. Don't mess up your room. Tidy. Tidy up the kitchen after cooking. Tidy. Tidy up the kitchen after cooking. Hug. Hug your loved ones often. Hug. Hug your loved ones often. Kiss. A mother's kiss heals all wounds. Kiss. A mother's kiss heals all wounds. Laugh. Laughing is the best medicine. Laugh. Laughing is the best medicine.